Hi friends, welcome to my channel Apps Champ again, and this is Sanchir today with a new video about GeoMart. So the application which I am going to discuss and we are going to look today is about the GeoMart application, which is again one of the online grocery shopping. You can shop online vegetables, fruits and all the snacks, whatever you want, and on this GeoMart application. This is one of the best application. The main reason why I call this as one of the best application for online shopping is it gives you free delivery. There is no minimum order. Even if you are buying a product of just 50 rupees or 100 rupees, you are not charged any delivery fees. And this is on my experience because I have already ordered lot of such items which was not more than 150 or 200 and even sometimes 100 rupees. So even I can show you this right now. If you go to your Play Store and download GeoMart application, you just need to sign up with your phone number, and this is how it will look like. Over here you can just deliver to whatever pin code you want. Wherever you live, you can just enter your pin code and start looking for the items whichever you want. Over here on the daily basis you can see which item. If you see here, this is minimum 25% off. These are some of the best sellers, and for today, only for today, the bananas are 29 rupees, and the other veggies are 36 per kg, and it depends on the daily basis. But all other items has the same rates, or even it keeps on changing depending on the GeoMart. So we cannot decide on the rates, but of course it is very less if you compare it to your normal shops, right? So if you see bread here, it is again 5 to 6 rupees off on your MRP. The most favorite thing of mine is from this application is paneer. If you see this Prabhat Malai Paneer 400 grams pouch, which is 165 rupees, you get it just at 99 rupees. Okay, and this is really good. I just bought it 2 days back and it was really good. So this is one of the product which you can surely buy. The same way you can go for different, you have different options of buying fruits. You can buy biscuits, you can buy different snacks. You just need to click on this, click on add, view cart. Okay, and this is the total cart amount, that is 258. Even if I remove this, it is just 99 rupees, and if you see, there is no delivery charge. So you can search for all your products in this search window. You can go to the cart by clicking on this cart icon on the top right. Okay, and if I want, see, these are different other biscuits, whatever you want. If you just see, there are a lot of offers on this application, and I really would, I got cheese, I got pizza bread, all this kind of items which were not actually available on Flipkart, Grofers or other different application. So that is the reason I prefer this. Very, I can say, not different varieties are available on this application, but whatever is available is really good. So you can surely go for this. If I click on this cart now, it got opened. Sometime back, I'm not sure, it was stuck. So if you see, it's just 99 rupees, and if I click on place order, you just need to add your address here, whichever address you want. Click on change add address, add your address. Today is 8th September, and they deliver within 2 days. If you see, the expected delivery is 10th September. They say here that we will try to deliver at the earliest, but it may take some time, but actually it doesn't. They actually deliver your order within 2 days. So you can surely order from here. Click on make payment. Once you click on make payment, you can select whatever option you want. If you want Paytm, if you want your Google Pay, if you want to use card, as well as if you want cash on delivery, you can do that. And once you do it, once you do this, just click on pay 99 on delivery, and your order will be placed, and you will get it on the expected delivery date itself. That's it. It is one of the very good application. Even if you want to contact the customer service. Sometimes what happens is whatever items you ordered, that is not available with them, so they give refund for the items which is not available. They call you and inform you that this item is not available, and for that item the refund is being given to you. So there is no minimum order required, there is no delivery charges, and very less within less time they actually deliver your product, just 2 days. So I think this is awesome app. Do try and do give your comments. Please don't forget to share, subscribe my channel, and hit like button, and please click on bell icon to get all the latest videos directly in your inbox. Thank you and bye bye.